First-time parents, you set up the nursery, you have your clothes and diapers ready, but what I'm going to tell you about today is not often talked about as being a critical part of raising a child. Societal changes have led to a decline in play, and our children are suffering the consequences. Overemphasis on academic achievement, parental fear for child safety, deletion of recess, highly structured schedules, and an increase in the use of technology are some of the factors that contribute to play deprivation. One of the negative effects of play deprivation is decreased brain development. While research has shown the value of play in children's lives, the time children spend playing has decreased. Children spend 8 hours less playing than children did 20 years ago. There is pressure on children at a young age to use educational toys and have a structured schedule. We are finding this push towards academic success in replacement of play may actually be doing more harm than good. You have the power to shape your child's mind and influence their future. I am here to talk to you today about the power of play and the value of play in relationship to a child's ability to learn. Many people see play as a frivolous activity that is done in free time. However, new research shows that this seemingly simple activity has profound effects on a child's development. Play should not be undervalued. During the first years of life, playful activity makes a positive difference in brain development. A child's brain develops as they experience the world through their senses. The moment to begin playing with your child is at birth. The encounters with caregivers affect a child's development and how their brain will work. Spend lots of time playing with your child. This helps build secure attachment, which provides the foundation for all types of development and achievement. Talking, reading, patty cake, peekaboo, and sing-song rhythms help program the brain for intelligence. When we provide learning opportunities, we can facilitate brain development. For example, we know talking with babies is important for vocabulary development. Many naturally do this in a playful way. As stated in an article published in the New York Times, the number of words an infant hears each day is the single most important predictor of later intelligence, school success, and social competence. Play is so much more than just fun. As children play, they develop physical, emotional, social, and what I want to focus on today, cognitive skills. All the domains of children's development are intricately intertwined. Research offers compelling and revolutionary information about how the brain works in relation to play and how this will shape the future of education. In order to learn how play can influence development, we need to understand a little bit about how the brain works. When we experience something, connections are made in the brain. The more we experience something, the stronger the connections become. The connections that are repeated and used become stronger, and the ones that aren't become weak and are eventually eliminated. Since the biggest change with brain development occurs between conception and age 3, it is critical to provide rich experiences for growth in these years. The amount of play and the differences in opportunities for play has an effect on a child's ability to learn. The brain is shaped by experiences. A variety of activities will build new connections, and repeating activities will strengthen them, thus increasing the rate of intellectual development. By about age 8, the basis of the adult brain is formed. One of the reasons play is so beneficial is that it stimulates all the areas of development, engaging different parts of the brain. Through play, children learn cognitive skills such as language, problem solving, creativity, reasoning, memory, and self-regulation. Play has been shown to increase focus and improve academic performance. Socio-emotional growth can be seen in children's ability to interact with others, negotiate, and compromise. Children learn to deal with emotions through complex social interactions. Physical development is seen through both fine and gross motor skills in activities such as drawing, painting, running, jumping, and building things. We know that the act of physical movement helps blood circulation and is linked to better brain function. We need to specifically increase the opportunity for unstructured free play. Free play, not organized sports, no rule books, no devices. The act must truly be playful and child-initiated. Aside from providing food, shelter, and a nurturing environment, one of the biggest things we can do for our kids is to let them play. We have the capacity to shape children's minds in a fun and educational way by providing more opportunities for play in their lives. I read an article recently called How to Give Your Child a 1980s Childhood, and it's backed by research. Perhaps we need to take a step back and believe in the science and research that unstructured play can be our children's enrichment. If we allow freedom and exploration to teach our children about friendships, interests, autonomy, self-determination, perhaps they can be better learners, better future members of society, and can just be kids for now.